They're still talking about us. Let them talk. I'm not leaving you. I'm not scared of them. I'm scared of what might come.
This is not right. They will bring problems to this village.
Ndiivho, I need to talk to you.
What's wrong?
Something doesn't feel right. I saw someone last night.
Who?
I think it's him.
MUVHILI. I thought it was over. With him, it's never over.
You need to be careful. He's not alone this time. They look peaceful.
Peace doesn't last.
Why can't they just let us live?
Because they don't understand us. No matter what happens, I will protect you and I will stay with you.
This time they won't escape.
Something feels different.
It's just in your mind.
No, look at them.
The elders made a mistake.
This is not our way. If we accept this, what comes next?
They won't even greet us.
They will get used to it.
Ndiivho, we need to talk.
What is it?
You think everything is fine, but it's not.
What do you mean?
The elders accepted you, but the village didn't.
They will learn to accept it.
No, they're getting angry.
But we didn't do anything wrong.
To them, you did. This is not our culture!
They hate us.
They fear what they don't understand.
This is how it starts. Today it's words. Tomorrow it won't be. They're still here. And now, the village will deal with them.
They don't even hide it anymore.
Good. Now we know where everyone stands.
We stand with you. This is not right.
They did nothing wrong.
This is against our culture.
What is going on? Times are changing.
Not here!
You need to be careful.
I thought the elders supported us.
Not all of us.
They are planning something.
If the elders won't act, we will.
You feel disrespected, and yet you do nothing. What do you want us to do? Remind them, this village has rules.
They're planning something. Who? The villagers, not all of them, but enough.
This is MUVHILI.
He's turning them against us.
Then we stop him.
It's already started.
What do you mean?
Some elders are scared. They won't protect you if things get worse.
What are they doing?
Tonight, we take back our village.
Something doesn't feel right.
They're planning something.
We warn them! They don't belong here! Tonight it ends! You've been patient, but they continue to disrespect this village. Tonight we remind them who we are. Ndiivho, Lufuno, they are coming, all of them! We warn them! They don't belong here! Tonight ends it!
They want to hurt us.
No, they want to break us. And we won't let them.
Leave! Dog! This is not your place!
Ah! We have done nothing wrong.
You have disrespected us! This is not justice! Stay out of this! She's gone. Now she will understand.
Lufuno?
Lufuno! 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 Lufuno!
I couldn't find her.
Then where did they take her? Oh, wait.
They took her somewhere outside the village.
I was supposed to protect her.
Ndiivho.
She's secured. Good, let her fear grow.
I'm not waiting anymore. I'm going to find her.
You won't do this alone. I'm coming with you.
I'm coming, Lufuno.
You didn't sleep.
I don't have time to. They took her, and they think I'll just wait?
You don't even know where to start.
I'll find a way.
Look, this wasn't here before.
They didn't go far.
Ndiivho.
What if she comes looking?
She will. And that's exactly what I want.
This is dangerous.
So is doing nothing.
This way, quickly.
I think I heard something.
Don't stop, keep moving.
Right behind you. We're not alone.
You won't break me.
She was here.
I don't like this. This place, it's not right.
They want us to feel that.
Ndiivho, no, don't come.
This looks placed.
It is.
I was wondering how long it would take.
Where is she?
Safe for now. You walked right into this. We're not afraid of you.
She came.
You want her back. Then you're going to give me something in return.
Try me.
You want her back. Then you must choose.
What do you want?
You leave this village. For good.
You can't be serious.
I am. You stay, she suffers.
No, Ndiivho, don't.
There has to be another way.
You have until now. Choose.
Fine.
Ndiivho.
I'll leave. But not because you told me to. I choose her. And when I know I come back, you won't be standing here.
You came.
I'm sorry I couldn't protect you. It's okay, Lufuno, we're together now.
So, this is it?
This isn't the end. This is just the beginning.